there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Remittently Global. This is ticker RELY. Now, what sticks out to me on this chart right away is the volume. We have some nice big volume spikes over the last couple of months here. You can see back in March of this year, big volume spike and a big gap up, probably earnings related, I'm guessing. And then today we have another big volume spike and a push through the 50-day moving average, the 8-day moving average, and the 21-day moving average. So a big bullish engulfing candlestick through a cluster of moving averages. I always like to pay attention to that because typically if you're coming through the underside of the moving averages, they can act as resistance zones, and sometimes those resistance zones are strong. But you can see the power through this move and the volume to back it up. And so this is definitely a stock that I want to keep an eye on because it has clear support right around this swing low, just under $17, and clear resistance right there, right around 19.33. And so I want to see if this stock can break through that level and get going and continue this nice uptrend that it's been in. If I zoom out here, you can see that this was a new IPO from back in 2021, which was a good year for IPOs, but this one didn't really do much. Now, I want to see if this stock has the potential to maybe come back up and test some of these upper levels. You can see the last couple of months and even a year or so, it's just kind of been bottoming. It's been in a long kind of institutional discovery phase here where institutions kind of learn about the stock, figure out what it does, and then it has a nice tight range going sideways here. And then finally, in 2023, a breakout back through all the major moving averages, and it starts marching up. And so, it's had quite a journey off of the lows here. From the low down here at $9, it's now up here, as you know, at around 18. And so this trend could be strong and could continue as more institutions learn about this stock and find it on their scans. And one of the things that brought it up on my scan today was its relative strength versus most of the other stocks in the market. As you know, today was a down day in the S&P 500, kind of a lower move and just kind of marked time. But RELY was up and up on big volume. So I have a feeling people are going to be paying attention to this stock, and that makes me want to pay attention to it as well. So this is one that's going to be on my watch list for the next week and a half or so to see if this can resolve to the upside. Wanted to share it with you. And if you want to see what else we're looking at over at StockMarketMentor.com, be sure and click the link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.